welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you're located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So to prime my eyes, I used the Too Faced concealer and I just put that all over my eyelid, and then I blended it out and then went ahead and set it with translucent powder. The palette that I went in with today is the Whatever palette from Colourpop, and I absolutely love this palette because it has so many neutral shades and so many shimmers as well, so you can create a daytime look or a nighttime look. Whatever you're in the mood for, but I absolutely love this palette. The first shade that I went in with is Copycat, which is a really light neutral brown shade, and I just threw that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I wanted to warm it up a little bit, so I grabbed the shade Pass It On and I picked it up with a defined angled brush, and I started to add depth in my crease, pretty much mapping it out. And I like to place it where when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket versus putting it directly in the crease, so that when you open your eye, you can't really see it. I like putting the eyeshadow a little bit higher so that you can see it whether the eye is open or closed. And then I went into that first transition shade and I just blended that line out, going in back and forth motions. And then I grabbed the shade Pass It On once again and I started to add depth on my outer lid. So I actually picked it up with a flat shader brush and I started to pack that all over. And then I went back into my Too Faced concealer and I decided to clean up the lid using a really small, flat, detailed brush. And this step is definitely optional, but if you do go in with some concealer the way that I did, make sure that you set it in place with some translucent powder. And then I went in with my BH Cosmetics glitter eyeliner in the shade Synergy. And what I really like about these eyeliners is that you don't have to use any type of glitter glue. Once you apply it, it stays put. So I just applied it from the inner lid to the center of the lid. And then I just applied some mascara on my lashes. And then I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes. And if you guys don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. And the style that I went in with is Barbados. It's probably one of our most dramatic styles, but as you can see, it can still be wearable. And then I went in with the shade Copycat and I put that on my lower lashes, going in back and forth motions. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is a finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!